Kicking things off at number 30. This cutie clearly took a trip to the shoe store. Hey, those must be dog Martens. Walking might be rough for a while, but he'll get used to it. What do you think these two are fighting about? I bet the big doggo just wants a turn in the dog bed. That small guy, his bark is louder than his bite. He just keeps saying, "Stop hounding me." Have you ever had one of those roommates that just doesn't ever leave the bathroom? All he wants is to take a bird bath. They could work out a bathroom schedule if only they had better communication. With the baby toys again? You've got to be kidding me. Perhaps they could learn to share. To be fair, cat toys and baby toys are very similar. Fun fact, the original Sphinx in Egypt also had its tongue sticking out. I think I saw this guy in some hieroglyphics. Isn't his name Nefertiti? The subtle art of fountain drinking is an acquired skill. Only after many years does the long-haired husky pup realize that sticking your head under the water does not fully quench your thirst. In order to do that, you need to use your mouth and look extra cute doing it. My, what big eyes they have. I bet they're going to the beach party. It's going to be a howling good time. I hope you put on sunscreen too so they don't become hot dogs. These are some of the fluffiest babies I've ever seen. Maybe someone can read them a bedtime tale. Hey, give me a turn. I want to try that one. These two terrier twins are terrific. Wait, did someone put a tiny trampoline in front of the door? I've had some nosy neighbors before, but I wouldn't actually mind living next to these fluffsters at number 20. Hey, can I borrow a cup of sugar or what? This looks like a real David and Goliath situation. Why did the baby chick chase the cat? No, I'm asking you. I really don't know. Don't worry. I think he was just trying to catch the bus. Looks like a performance from David Pupperfield is about to start. It's the disappearing treat trick. Where'd it go? Some magic is too doggone good. Have you ever had one of those days where everyone else has the energy to do stuff, but you just don't? That's what's going on here. This is when an unstoppable force meets an immeasurable object. He should work more on his jump scares. This bed seems a little lumpy. Oh, I forgot. I ordered the raccoon sheets. They're extra fluffy and extra cute.
What are you doing in there?
There is only one explanation for this. This dog is clearly an airbender. Those leaves are the cheapest dog toys you can buy. He really is blown away by them. My favorite type of massage, the deep tissue.
You're so sweet.
I didn't recognize the masseuse at our halfway point though, because he was wearing a mask. I'd have more raccoon jokes, but I don't want to recycle any from the trash. While we can't always show all of our submissions, we do want to showcase a few flying friends that were too cute to cut. What's better than a beautiful bird? A whole montage of them.
What are you doing? Making a video. A purple bird.
I was in trouble.
You were in trouble.
Ooh, trouble.
I love you. What are you doing?
Bridges, you're famous. Yes, really. You're a famous internet sensation. Hey, don't. Bridges, did you know your video got viewed over 20,000 times? Yeah. Can you believe that? Really, it was amazing. You're a star. You're a superstar.
Hey, bad boy. Bad boy. You are a bad boy.
watch me, ooh, watch me, watch me, ooh, watch me, watch me, ooh, ooh, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me.
No.
No, I don't want to play peekaboo. No, peekaboo. No! No, I'm not playing peekaboo. No, peekaboo. Nope, it's time to go night-night. No. No. You want to go night-night? No, you want to go night-night? Kisses. Good girl.
Down at the hamster gym, they're trying out the pull-up bar. Come on, little guy. You almost got it. Well, if it makes you feel any better, I can't even do one of those. Is that Doggy Crockett, king of the wild frontier? Sheriff Doggo has no time for horsing around. Holy cow! I hope he doesn't have any beef with this costume. Ha! This isn't dog food. I don't think he is abused. That's not where the bed is supposed to go. Getting to bed is a real Mission Impossible scenario for our number 10 pet. Is he technically sleeping on the roof? I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. This parrot wants to play. Feather this cat, likes it or not. I hope this doesn't end in catastrophe. Who disturbs my slumber? This is one heck of a hiding spot. This bird is macassar. This doggo isn't playing dead. They're taking a nap. Oh, look at those cute little eyes. Time to get up. There are more videos to see. While we'd love to have all your submissions in the running, there are just so many cute pets to choose from. Here are some honorable mentions that didn't make the cut, but you just gotta see. Number 5. This has gotta be one of the uncomfiest sleeping spots ever. But he's making it work. When he wakes up, either he'll be feline fine or his neck will hurt. He's probably like, "Stop stressing me out."
Oh my God. Odie!
No, this isn't the cat exhibit at the zoo. It's a cat tank. I hope he doesn't mind sand in his fur. I don't think the tank owner is too happy with this cat attack.
Stop that! Get out of there! Stop!
We're back with the Cockatoo Olympics. Our next competitor is winding up, and he's off. Oh, with the somersault? Our judges are giving him 10s across the board. In the age-old battle of dog versus cow, there can only be one winner. And it's us, because this is so cute. Looks like he got them to move pretty easily, no?
Not at all.
The time has come. It's time to find out this episode's funniest pet. Are you ready? It's coming your way right now. I don't think this is how you clean up the kitchen. Perhaps he's practicing for his new one-dog band? I think his album is called The Bark Side of the Moon. We've made it to the end of another countdown. We hope you were able to laugh along with all of the hilarious hamsters, doggone doggos, and hysterical horses. But there's always more to show, so come back again for another episode of Countdown the Funniest Pets.